The journey of a BYD car begins with massive coils of high-grade steel arriving at the factory. Automated machinery meticulously unwinds and flattens the raw steel into precise sheets. Colossal hydraulic presses exert immense force to stamp complex body panels from these sheets. Robotic arms swiftly transfer the newly formed panels, ensuring efficiency and safety. Each panel is precisely crafted, showcasing the initial quality and engineering detail. In the body shop, intricate jigs hold the initial steel panels for foundational assembly. Numerous welding robots work in unison, rapidly fusing the car's structural frame. Spot welds are applied with blinding precision, creating strong and durable connections. Robots meticulously apply adhesive sealants along seams, ensuring structural integrity and weatherproofing. Overhead cranes precisely lower large sub-assemblies, integrating them into the emerging chassis. Every weld joint undergoes rigorous inspection, verifying its strength and flawless execution. The partially assembled car body gracefully moves along an automated guided vehicle to the next stage. BYD's advanced blade batteries are manufactured on automated lines in ultra-clean environments. Robotic arms delicately stack individual battery cells, forming dense and efficient modules. Lasers precisely weld battery connections, ensuring optimal electrical conductivity within each module. Finished battery modules undergo automated testing, verifying their performance and safety standards. Multiple battery modules are expertly integrated into the robust housing of a complete battery pack. The final battery pack is meticulously sealed, ensuring protection and durability for years of use. Car bodies enter high-pressure wash bays for thorough cleaning, preparing them for the paint process. Robotic arms apply a uniform layer of primer, creating the perfect base for the vibrant top coats. Fine paint is atomized and precisely applied by robots, creating a flawless, even finish. Car bodies pass through high-temperature ovens to perfectly cure and harden each layer of paint. A final clear coat is applied by robots, enhancing the paint's depth, gloss, and protection. Optical sensors meticulously scan the painted surfaces, detecting any minute imperfections. Electric motors are carefully assembled on dedicated lines, combining intricate components with precision. Robotic systems install complex wiring harnesses, integrating the vehicle's vast electrical network. Comfortable car seats are delivered and positioned by automated conveyors, ready for interior fitment. Large glass windshields are precisely placed by robotic arms, ensuring a perfect seal and fit. Interior trim pieces are meticulously fitted by automated systems, adding to the car's refined aesthetics. Infotainment screens and other advanced electronics are skillfully integrated into the dashboard. The painted car body is carefully joined with its chassis, a pivotal moment in the assembly process. Robotic arms efficiently attach wheels and tires, completing the car's dynamic stance. Critical power lines and underbody components are precisely connected to the integrated battery pack. As the car moves along the final line, headlights, taillights, and exterior trim are installed. All essential fluids, including coolant and brake fluid, are automatically filled to exact levels. Automated test stands meticulously align the wheels, ensuring precise handling and stability. Robotic arms perform a comprehensive final inspection, scanning every exterior surface for perfection. Each vehicle undergoes a rigorous water test, ensuring complete sealing against the elements. Finished cars are tested on a rolling road dynamometer, verifying performance under simulated driving conditions. Hundreds of gleaming BYD cars stand ready for transport, a testament to modern manufacturing excellence.